how to fix web hosting not showing up in GoDaddy. So usually what you want to do is load up the GoDaddy website, click on your name, go into My Products, and here if you scroll down you should see web hosting as I have it right here. Now if you're just a beginner and this is confusing, basically any products here, any purchases that you have made will appear here, but if you don't have a web hosting subscription you will not have the web hosting section either. So that's why you might not be seeing web hosting. So you will need to go into here into products, so manage my products or shop GoDaddy.com. And here you just want to click on this menu, go into websites and hosting, and you need to go into web hosting and purchase a subscription here. So you have the web hosting section in GoDaddy. I hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.